Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. And before us is this question: read x raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of the square root of 200, and we are told to find the value of x. How do we go about it? Now, looking at the left hand side, you get to see that we have x raised to the power of x, okay, which implies for this to be equal to this, it means we need to have a base and the exponent should be the same. So how then do we simplify this, okay, to a number that will have a base and the exponent the same? So let's resolve the right hand side. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 200. Okay, all right, we can simplify the 200 here. That will be 2 raised to the power of 100 times 2. Okay, and according to the law of surd, if you have the square root of a, b, this will give us, if you have the square root of ab, to give us what? A, the square root of a times the square root of b. So at this point, we can also say this is square root of 100 times the square root of what? 2. So we know that the square root of 100 is 10. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 10, then root 2. So, and 10 also is 10 can be written as what? 5 times 2. So we replace 10 with 5 times 2. That will be 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 root 2. Okay, and according to the law of indices also, if you have a raised to the power of bc, this can be the same thing as saying a raised to the power of b or raised to the power of what? C. Now if we apply this rule here, we can say this is 2 raised to the power of 5 or raised to the power of 2 root 2, right? So here we get to have 32 raised to the power of 2 root 2. Okay, so at this point, let's do something here. 32, I can write it as the square root of 32 or raised to the power of 2, which implies that this square, we undo this, the square root, to still give you what? 32. So let us replace 32 with the square root, the square of the square root of what? 32. So here we have the square root of 32 or raised to the power of 2, okay, then times 2 root 2, which will actually give us the square root of 32 or raised to the power of 2 times 2. 2 times 2 root 2, you have what? 4 root 2. Okay, now looking at this now, I guess I can reduce or I can simplify root 32 to have the same pattern as this. So which means root 32 is the same thing as saying 16 times 2, which is the same thing as saying root 16 times root 2, which can also be 4 root 2. So I will replace root 32 with 4 root 2. So this will give us what? 4 root 2 or raised to the power of 4 root 2. Now bring our x raised to the power of x equals 4 root 2 or raised to the power of 4 root 2. Now you get to see that the base is the same thing as the base on the right hand side, and the exponent on the left hand side is the same thing as the exponent on the right hand side. So our x here will give us what? 4 root 2. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.